that's a maintenance item or replaceable item on the rolling table are the wheels. Okay, and they're fairly easy to replace. Basically need an Allen wrench set and a combination wrench. I'm gonna take a guess and say 8mm. There you go, 7 or 8. So 8mm will work. And in order for you to replace it, basically you would just secure the nut with the wrench, and using an Allen, loosen. Loosen it 100%. Okay. The easier way to do this probably with an 8mm socket. Just slide the 8mm in the slot here. Remove. You would remove the screw altogether, and then the wheel would come out. Okay, so when replacing, pay attention to how it's oriented. The outboard side has these little notches. The inboard or the outboard side is smooth. The inboard side has the notches, like so. Inboard, inboard, outboard. So to put it back into place, you would just place the shaft and there you go. And get the nut started. Once it's started, tighten. Okay, that's it.